Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cookinglandia. In today's world, globalization has left an undeniable mark on our culinary experiences. The foods we enjoy every day reflect a rich history of cultural exchange and migration, creating a tapestry of flavors that tells the story of our interconnected world. In this video, we'll explore 6 iconic dishes that have not only become global favorites, but also highlight the influence of different cultures on our plates. And remember, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Our journey begins with sushi, a Japanese delight that has conquered the world. What began as a method for preserving fish has become a global culinary masterpiece. From traditional nigiri to fusion rolls with ingredients like avocado and smoked salmon, sushi exemplifies how simplicity and sophistication can come together to create a dish that transcends borders. At our next stop, we have pizza, a slice of Italy that has found a home in every corner of the world. Originating from Naples, the pizza's journey through migration has led to countless variations, each reflecting local tastes. Whether it's a classic margherita or a gourmet creation, pizza remains a universal symbol of comfort and diversity. Curry, the India's flavorful legacy, has become a staple around the world. From mild chicken tikka masala to spicy Rogan Josh, curry's adaptation in countries like the UK, Thailand, and Japan shows the complexity and rich diversity of Indian cuisine. Each spoonful is a celebration of regional flavors and cultural fusion. Tacos, a beloved staple of Mexican street food, have crossed borders to become a global phenomenon. Whether it's al pastor with Middle Eastern influences or Baja-style fish tacos, this versatile dish continues to evolve, reflecting the fusion of flavors and traditions in every bite. Pasta, an Italian culinary treasure, is cherished for its simplicity and adaptability. From classic spaghetti to innovative fusions with tropical flavors, pasta has become a global canvas for a wide range of tastes. It's a delicious reminder of how tradition and innovation can come together in every dish. And finally, pho, Vietnam's national treasure that has warmed hearts around the world. This fragrant noodle soup, with its rich broth and fresh herbs, has adapted to local tastes worldwide, becoming a comforting option for many. Pho is a testament to the power of food to connect us, no matter where we are. By savoring these iconic dishes, we're not only enjoying food, we're celebrating the diversity and cultural exchange that globalization has brought to our tables. Each bite is a journey through history, a connection with different cultures, and a reminder of the richness that comes from embracing the world's flavors. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this exploration of global flavors, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit Cookinglandia.com.